Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will start immediately. Confirm Windows 10 updates are installed and you're signed into Office with a licensed account. Once done, open Word or Excel and navigate to File, Account. This reveals your Office product channel and update controls. Make sure Auto Update is enabled under Update Options so the client can pull patches. If you're on a managed device, verify Group Policy or Intune doesn't block updates. Now click Update Options and choose Update Now to begin downloading the latest Office build. After you click Update Now, Office will fetch the appropriate channel build. Allow it to run without interruption. While it downloads, you'll see progress under Account. This can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on network and channel. Make sure to close other Office apps and save documents. Unsaved work can interrupt the installer. If prompted to restart Office or the machine, accept to complete file replacements. Once the installer finishes, Office validates the update and prepares components for the final step. Complete the process by restarting Office and then the PC if requested. Open File Account and confirm the version reflects the latest build. If something goes wrong, first run Quick Repair via Programs and Features. If that fails, choose Online Repair to reinstall Office components. Make sure Windows Update and device drivers are current and temporarily disable third-party antivirus if it blocks installers. For persistent failures, check the Office Update log in your local app data folder to identify error codes and act on them.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.